Hello friends, this is Mohammad Mudassir Siddiqui. I am SAP FICO consultant. Today we are going to learn the topic how to create GL master data in SAP. Guys, any master data in SAP cannot be created directly. Before we create any master data, we have to do certain configuration settings for that. So now we are going to create GL master data in SAP, but before that we'll create some configuration data as shown in the slide. So first we need to create the chart of accounts, then we have to assign the company code to chart of account in the next step. Then we need to define the account groups, then we need to define the retainer name, then we need to define the field status variant, and then we need to assign the field status variant to company code. With all these minimum configuration settings, system will allow you to create the GL master data. With this understanding, we'll go to the SAP system and we'll create one by one. First we'll create chart of account, and then we'll assign the company code to chart of accounts. Then we'll create account groups, then retainer name, field status variant, and then we'll assign the field status variant to company code. Then after we'll create the GL master data. Now going to the next slide. So now we have to configure the chart of account. I am going to SAP now. So I have already given the navigation here. Navigation for the creation of chart of account in this slide. We have to go to financial accounting, general ledger accounting, GL accounts, master data, preparation, edit chart of account list. Now, and I have also given the transaction code. Transaction code means it is a shortcut. So now I am going to show you with the help of navigation. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, GL accounts, master data, preparation, edit chart of account list. Click on this clock, click on new entry. Here we need to define the chart of account with maximum 4 characters. It may be alphanumeric. Now I am giving TA 90. So this chart of account code should also be unique, must also be unique. It should not be used by any other, it should not be used by, it should not be created earlier. So this is chart of account I am creating. I am giving the description, chart of accounts. Here maintain language, I am giving the language as English, EN. Length of GL account number. So here the length of GL account number can be minimum 1 or maximum 10 digit. So mostly in a real time, mostly all the companies will go with minimum 6 digit of the GL code. So here by default controlling integration. So controlling is integrated with finance with the help of chart of accounts. So there are two options are given here: manual creation of cost element and automatic creation of cost element. Here we'll select the option manual creation of cost element, and whatever the options I am selecting here, we'll be discussing these options as a part of theory in the next videos. So we have group chart of accounts. I am keeping it blank now at this moment of time, and we can also block the status of the chart of account. So with this minimum information we can create the chart of accounts. Now the moment I have, once we have given all the information, then I am clicking on, just click on save, then click continue. So with this we have created the chart of account. Now next step is we need to assign the chart of account to the company code. So I have already given in the slide, assign the company code to chart of accounts, and we'll also see how to create the chart of account with the help of transaction code OB13. This we have seen based on the navigation. Now I am going to show you how to create the chart of account with the help of T code. What is the T code for this? If you go to the slide, T code I have written here is OB13. So go to OB13, click enter. Yeah, click on display because this is already, the page is already open. So I will first close this page. Go to OB13. Here click on new entry, and we have to define with the help of same process, with the same process as we have defined earlier. So this is with the help of T code. Now we are going to assign the chart of account to company code. The next step is going to the next slide. This is the navigation I have already given. You can refer my slide here, and the T code for this is OB62. Going to the SAP now. Here we find the option assign. Same navigation, only the thing is instead of edit chart of account list, we are using assign company code to chart of accounts. Click here, execute, click on position. System is asking what is your company code, TA90. So here you have to assign the chart of account just now whatever we have created. If you don't remember the chart of account what we have created, you can find it from the drop down list also. Here you can find all the list of chart of accounts. There are so many chart of accounts are created because it's a demo server. So here see, from the list I am finding my chart of accounts. Double click. TA90 is my chart of account. So this field is for country chart of account. We'll understand this. We'll try to discuss this in next videos. Okay. Now click on save. Yes. So we have just created the chart of accounts, and then we have assigned the chart of account to company code. So I have also given the T code for this OB62 for the assignment of company code to chart of account. Let's go to the next session. Go to OB62 T code. Yeah, click on position. TA90 is our company code, and assign chart of account. We have already assigned the chart of account. So I am showing you with both ways, one with the navigation, another one with the T code. So next heading is define account groups. Define account group. So I have given the navigation here along with the T code. You can refer this slide. So going to SAP now. So navigation is the same for define account group as it is there for the chart of account and assign company code to chart of accounts. Only the difference here is you need to click on define account group under the same navigation. Click on execute. Click on new entry. So before we create the account group, system will ask for what is our chart of account. As we know, we have just created our chart of account is TA90. Account group, here I am creating just 4 account group for our understanding purpose. You can create as many as account group as per the requirement of the business. So I am creating account group for asset, Normally in a real time asset ranges are followed with two number starting with number 2. It's 2 lakh to 2 lakh 99,000. We need to define the intervals here. Let's go TA90, give TA90 liability 1 lakh 1,99,000. Whatever the intervals we are giving here from to 2, these ranges will be useful for us for the creation of GL master data. TA90 expenses 4 lakh to 4,99,000. TA90 income 3 lakh to 3,99,000. Now click on save. With this we have created the account group. Now moving to next topic, define retained earnings. So navigation or path for the retained earning is also same. It will be under same path. Define retained earnings. Click on execute. So before we create the retained earning also, it will ask for the chart of accounts. So with this we can understand both account groups and the retained earnings are created at the chart of account level. So both of them cannot be created independently. First we need to create the chart of account. So our chart of account is TA90. Click on continue. Here we have to define give X. Let's enter here one more time, enter, ignore the warning message, click on save. So this is, we have created the retained earning account. Moving to next topic, we have to create the field status variant. So navigation is financial accounting global settings, document, line item, control, define field status variant. Now moving to SAP, go back, SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting global settings, document, line item, control, define field status variant. Click on execute. Here field status variant we need to always copy. We can create our own field status variant also, but the advantage or benefit is we need to copy the field status variant from the standard field status variant. So we'll discuss in the theory part why we need to copy the field status variant from the existing field status variant. Now I am selecting the field status variant 001. Click on copy icon. Here change the name. I am giving the field status variant name is TA90. Changing the description also. And press enter. The moment I press enter, it will display me all the three options: copy all, only copy entry, and cancel all. Now at this moment of time, select copy all. With this, system will copy the field status group from the existing field status variant. So you can see now number of dependent entries copied. So whatever the field status group are there in the field status variant 001, it is now copied to TA90. Press enter and click on save. Now select the group. double click on the field status group. These are all field status group which are available in this company, in this field status variant now, TA90. So that is the benefit of copying the field status variant from the existing field status variant. Now go back. Now last point is assign company code to field status variant. So navigation is financial accounting global setting, document, line item, control, assign company code to field status variant. So here path is the same, only the thing is we need to select the option assign company code to field status variant. So here under this option, click on execute, click on position. So what is our company code here is TA90. Click on enter. Our field status variant is TA90. Click on save. Now we have defined all the settings now, which are all the minimum configuration settings which are useful for the creation of GL master data. Now we can also check that setting under the global settings. The T code for the same is OBY6. Click on position. TA90 is the company code. Double click here. See, chart of account we have assigned to our company code is TA90 and field status variant is TA90. Now with this minimum configuration settings, system will now allow us to create the GL account. So there are two ways we can create the GL account. So in this video I am going to show you how to create the GL account centrally. So there is a navigation for creation of GL account is there under accounting, financial accounting, GL account, general ledger, master record, GL accounts, individual processing, centrally. So we'll come to this screen. So now I will show you the T code also. With the help of T code we'll go. FS00 is the T code for the creation of GL master data centrally. Press enter. Now I am giving the GL account code. I want to create now one GL account which is called as share capital GL account. So I am giving 100000. Here I am changing the company code to my company code TA90. Here there are different options are given here. Icon, display, change and create. Click on create. So here we need to select the account group. So as I want to create the GL account which is share capital, it's a part of liability. I am selecting liability here. So liability account, what type of account it is? Is it profit and loss account or balance sheet account? So it is a balance sheet account. Here we need to give the name of the GL account, share capital. Same long text share capital. Now going to the another tab. Account currency is automatically taken by the system, which is INR, which is a local currency. If we want, we can change to any other currency as per the requirement of the business. Now click on only balance in local currency. Then click on line item display, sort key 001. Going to the next tab, select the field status group G001. Press enter and save. So with this we have created one GL master data. Then we'll also create one more GL master which is cash or bank account, which is cash account. So I am selecting the range 2 lakhs and giving the company code here. Click on create, go to the type or description tab, select the account group as asset because cash account is a part of asset and it is a balance sheet account. Cash account, give the narration cash account. Going to the next tab, control data tab, select only balance in local currency, line item display, sort key, G005. Click on save. With this we have created two GL accounts. If you go here, if you select the list, it will display two GL account. Okay, so this is the video I have shown for the creation of GL master data. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get the more videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video.